Okay, now for the clutch. Maybe I should loosen it off a bit. That was a darn good guess, wasn't it? Am I going the wrong way? Probably. Ouch. Are we biting? That's clockwise, buffhead. Oh, God. Curse being left-handed. A bit more. I suppose it's not supposed to be easy, it'll fall off in the drive. Wouldn't be best, would it? Well, okay, can't be more undone than that. Maybe we'll take this pin off here too. Well, that's the way you do it. So, that's everything. Pretty well disconnected apart from... God, you forget these things, you don't do them often, don't you? Sorry, this, folks. And it's gonna be easier, but it's not. Well, one more way, it's going to count in there. I'm going to give me a clutch cable anyway. Brutal, brutal, but so satisfying. Right, that's everything. Okay, let's see. Righto, well, got those bolts out and this side. So in theory, we should be right to go. Let's see. Ooh, okay. Maybe we'll go up a bit. We'll knock this off, eh? Well, that was easy. That was easy. Hello, the triumphantness. Stick you there. Maybe just drag this back a bit. Houston, we have liftoff. Oh, these are still connected. Oh, it's easy fix. We might need them. Snip, snippity, snip, snip. Right, let's done that. Well, folks, we have one Goggamobile engine and one engine bay without engine. Oh, by the way, if anyone's been curious what this is, that flap is the heating system for the dart. The hot air goes from over the engine cowling, you'll see later, and dump down there, and then out these holes into the cab. But that is for another day. Hey, we've done it. We've finally got there after a lot of mucking around. We're there. Catch you next time.